Elite Consultants has the best possible program within their 3 pillars of wealth program. Starting with the AI Dispute Beast system, we repair and replace your personal credit. Next, we use the latest in program for business credit building and advertising, leverage AI. Finally, we study the stock market with a prop firm. So you risk none of your own money but use 50K or more to trade and make a commission. Call 1-877-877-587-4540 to get started now and start making money now.
And we are back live. And we've got the market open in just a couple of minutes ago. It opened at 9:30, so 3 minutes old. And we are taking a real good look. We've got Emma here and Miss Giselle. Good morning, ladies. Talk to us about what we can expect to see today. We're trading with a $200 live account. Just started out a brand new one to see what it's like. So I'm going to pop Miss Emma on there. Emma, you are in the spotlight. Talk to us.
Hello, good morning. Happy Wednesday, everyone. It's nice to be back on stream, and welcome to Elite Credit Investment Advisors. And we're here again, helping everybody to get some information about the 3 pillars of wealth that Elite Credit Investment Advisors is offering. So, aside from the Credit Mastery program, we also have the financial education program, as well as the smart investing that we are used to show every day for the live stream and the crypto trading. So I hope so that everybody will gonna stay tuned with us so that we can show you how the market, if it is goes up or down today. So let's take it.
Awesome. Miss Giselle, talk to us out there. What are you looking forward to seeing on the $200 trading day?
Hello everyone. So today we're going to be expecting bring that $200.
Awesome.
What's happened to how we can profit to apply to elevate.
Okay, well, we will definitely be, we're going to play our little disclaimers here in a minute, our videos, and then we will be back with information. So let's go.
Provided by Elite Consultants USA LLC is for educational and entertainment purposes only. We do not offer financial, legal, or investment advice. Any credit building or stock market strategies discussed are examples for learning only, and should not be seen as guarantees of results or earnings. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed professional before making financial decisions.
All right, let's get back in. All right, so we're gonna look at our chart for the day. We've got a TradingView practice chart up naturally that we use pretty much every time we train. Let's see what we've got going on here today. So we are looking at definitely a downtrend in our trading this morning. We're going to start our account brand new with $200. So let's go ahead and jump over here. We're going to reset the account at $200. Let's go ahead and try that. I'm going to bring this into here where I can see it a little easier. So basically, the TradingView account is completely free for joining any of our programs. We'll set you up and we'll walk you through it daily in your individualized training. We reset this account at $200, and we're going to try to trade this account for a profit today. So we're starting with 200. You can see it right here. It started when it's awfully small naturally, but you should be able to see if you look right in here. You'll be able to see the difference. Let's see. Let's reset that. Right. Okay, you got a brand new account, $200 balance right in here. It's been trading. It opened up right about here where this green candle is. So 9:30 a.m. This morning pop happens every day. It popped all the way up to here. Popped up to about $27, and I had set a preliminary stop loss at 50. But now what we see here is that what goes up must come down. So we might as well hit our trading buttons. We're going to hit, let's see here. We're going to get up here and pull this down. We're going to hit the trade button. We're going to go into the buy side. We've got 1 unit, take profit, stop loss at 25 and 25. Is that right? 25, 25.
Yes, sir.
We're trading 1 unit. I'm going to buy in. So we are, let that sit just for a second. It should have popped on in there. Let's see. $25 and 25. There it is. There it is. We're going to put our profit up here about, let's not be greedy today. Let's put the profit up about $25. There we go. Confirm that. All right. Let's have a look. All right. Let's do it again. We're going to do our same thing we did before. Take profit, stop loss. We're going to go 25 ticks. 25 ticks. This is generally where I like to start with 1 unit. 25 ticks and 25 ticks. We're going to look for a buy indicator over here. And so far, it's been pretty much a down day. Now we could trick it by go ahead and getting on the sell side. Let's get on the sell side since it's been going down. Raise this stop loss up here. Confirm that. Sorry, we're already in the profit for $1.50 that way. We'll just say it started off short, right? So we see a profit. Now it's trying to reverse on us. That's what we're looking for. We kind of encouraged it to reverse by jumping in there on the short side. Let's go ahead and watch it make a little bit of profit. You can tell that when the numbers turn green, then they're in a profit. So you're in a profit for a couple bucks right there. Let it trade till it changes direction. What I'm looking for is for it to change direction pretty substantially. Look at there. Made a little profit. All right, so let's go back into sell, 1 unit, take profit, stop loss. Let's get back in there for 1. What else we made? So we're $1.94 to the good now. I'm gonna do it again, take profit, stop loss. We're gonna change those ticks to 25. 25 and 25, gotta keep your eye on the ticks. Get in there on the short side, change that stop loss up to here. There we go. You gotta be super fast when you first start off. All right, take profit, stop loss set. Now it looks like it's trying to go up. And like I said before, that what I'm looking for is for it to reverse like it is right now. Get in on the buy side, buy in, raise that up here to, let's raise it up to $94. Take that stop loss down a little bit. So you know what goes up must come down, what goes down must come back up. So the theory is real simple. When it makes a big old gigantic leap down like that, it's just fine with us. We just get in on the bottom of it, we lock in, we set us a nice profit ratio, we jump in here. Let me see if I can make this any bigger for you guys. If I put it on the big screen, it generally tends to get bigger. And I will share that with you. I put it on the big screen so you can see it. I think you should be able to see this better. See if it's any bigger. That's bigger, right? All right.
Yeah, it's awesome.
All right, so let's see. Let me go ahead, get that out of the way so you can see even better. And we did get in on the buy side, so it is trying to trend down on us a little bit. But that's okay. We're going to let it trend down for a minute, and then we're going to let it turn around and go back up. Now, the secret, if there's a secret to anything, the secret is you're in for 1 unit. You've got an account balance of $191. You don't have a lot. You're risking $12.50 roughly, and you're counting on this short trend that has come down. We've got in on the reversal of it. So we know that it's going back up to here. We're just going to have to let it go. So we're watching now, slowly but surely. It's realizing that it's taken a gigantic plunge down, so it's got to come back up in a level. We know that. We inherently know that because we follow the market. We follow where it was yesterday, day before, last week. So you can see we're now in the green, slowly moving up, and it's going to play back and forth a little bit. I'd prefer it to just jump on up there and make that $100. Our goal today with the $200 account, our goal is only $50. So I could legitimately, I could pull that. Let's pull that down to $50. If this is real money, I'd be completely happy with a $50 profit. All right, let's confirm that. So it won't have near as far to travel up the positive chain. So again, we got in at a decent level. We got in at the bottom of that downward run on the red candlesticks, and we're going to watch it as the institutional investors are trading. The what I call the retail traders like ourselves, they're trading as well. Not really trading against each other. We're just all buying and selling, trying to get our little piece of the profit. And what I'm thinking is, in just a few minutes, it's about 9:17, well, 9:44. So 15 minutes in, I've noticed that right after that morning pop, you get a really good indicator of kind of the speed of the day. And that's coming up in about 1 minute. So in about 1 minute or less, I expect it to start trending up toward the $50 and slowly make its way up green, hit the 50. Well, that's $50 profit. And then we can decide whether or not we want to get back in the game or whether we want to call $50 good, because $50 a day, 5 days a week, it's an extra $250 in your pocket. That's an extra $1,000 a month. You can make a car payment with that. You can make a house payment with that. That's nothing to be ashamed of at all. And again, predictability is when you start off with one unit at $12.50 and you're trading the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures, then that's the entire NASDAQ. So it's a large group of stocks all built into one. It's not one isolated stock. And that gives us the volatility that we're looking for. It's a fairly consistent everyday average up and down, somewhere in the neighborhood of where we get in, where we get out. It's predictable in the fact that it's not predictable, if that makes sense. So we jumped in today a few minutes after the opening, after it had settled down a little bit, and we did that on purpose because of that whipsaw effect. If you've ever been in for any amount of time, you'll know that it pops at 9:30 straight. It went straight up, then it pops straight back down. If you had set any stop losses and take profit, it pops up, doesn't quite meet your take profit, but then it pops down and makes a stop loss, and it pops you out of the game. So we waited a few minutes to get started. All right, and then we got in, which is what we'll do every single day. That's what we want to do. Consistency. We want to make the same trade every day, Monday through Friday, and write it down, journal it, document it, wins and losses. And then at the end of the week, look at and see, what did we do? How did we do it? How much profit did we have? And again, as I'm talking and you hear me talk over and over again the same things, what I'm basically wanting you to know is if you do consistent trades on a regular basis and can afford to stay in the game long term, we're at about an 85% success rate. That means 8.5 to 9 trades out of 10, we're getting cash. We're getting success. We did have to change our methods from some of the early methods that we were thinking would be real easy to get in and make the money right away, because when you do that, you do make some catastrophic wins. Don't get me wrong. I've had some $1,000 days. I had a $3,700 profit one day, which is fair for where I'm at. Notice we just turned green, ladies. See that? It's working its way up. It's working slowly, so we're gonna give it a few minutes. But then at the same time, we had some great losses, and we don't want that. We want consistent wins. So today we're trying out the latest theory this week. I started with it Monday, is we're going to try a $200 account, long as it's under 5, because we had done 500 several times. We've done 1,000. Now we're doing $200 account, minimum of $100. You have to have $100 leverage because of the margin. So we started with a $200 account. We're going to try to make $25 to $50, and that's it. We're going to try to trade less than 4 times a day. I'm going to trade 4 times a day or less. And again, all of this is covered in our Trade Like a Ninja program, which Miss Emma or Ms. Giselle can set you up with. We're at a little profit now. You see a $7 profit, $11.50, $12. And instead of trying to get that out, our determination today is to let it go till it hits the $50. Period. If it does not hit the $50 in a few minutes, then we'll pop off, show a few videos, come back. But I think it's pretty consistently going according to my plan today. You notice it's moving upwards toward the 50. We're at about $18.50, $20, $23. It's going to do its little dance. It's going to play. But as long as it doesn't completely reverse and go past that entry point, we're still in the money. We're in the money right now at $24.50. So if we had put it at $25, we'd have already had a profit, right? We could have called it $25. But instead, we're going to stick to our guns, going to have patience, and we're going to believe that the market's going to 50. And the reason we're believing that is I have set that take profit at $50, which is right in the middle. You'll notice it honors these 3 candlesticks, the bottom of these 3 candlesticks. So the highest high I want from it today was where the lowest low was yesterday. So lowest low equals highest high today. I've got to believe that the market is as strong today as it was yesterday. And for that, that's where I put the $50 take profit. I'm tempted to grab it out at $25. Don't get me wrong. I'd love to take the money and run, but I'm also tempted to leave it because I want to see that $50. And that could be the only trade I take for today. If I make the $50, one, I've proven my point that in theory that I can get in, set my take profit, stop loss, let it run. 2, $50 a day is plenty to call it a win at the end of the week. That's $250 for the week. That's $1,000 for the month. Nothing to sneeze at. That's fine. And finally, if I can do a consistent $50 a day every day, then boom, there we go. We've done it. So let's have a look. We now have $41.90 in realized equity. So $241.90. We started with $200, and we can decide whether we want to get back in the game or whether we want to call it a day. And having got to this point, I'm going to play a commercial real quick while the ladies and I talk it over, and we'll decide whether or not we want to get back in the game or whether we want to let it go. So we're going to hear now from Dispute Beast, which is our personal credit AI system, which is click a button, fix your personal credit. If you've got a 4, 5, 6, or a 7 in your personal credit, you do need Dispute Beast. Let's get in there for $50 a month. You can do Dispute Beast, and then our personal instruction is $50 a month as well. We won't leave you hanging. We'll walk you through it. So
escape the paycheck to paycheck life by the age of 25. If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even 50s and you're broke, you're not alone. But staying broke, that's a choice. By the end of this video, you're going to know a 9-step blueprint to go from financially stuck to financially unstoppable, even if you're working a minimum wage job or drowning in debt. This is the exact same system used by self-made millionaires who started with nothing but a bad credit score and a cracked iPhone. And it's exactly what I would do if I lost everything today and had to start over at 21. This video is one of the most important wake-up calls for Americans right now, because we're living in the age of inflation, $5 gas, and 5-figure student loan bills, but the tools to escape, they're more available than ever. This is going to be a 9-step process, and you do not want to skip a single one because it can throw the entire process off. So let's jump in. Step number 1, we need to audit your reality, because you can't escape something you won't look look at. We need to go old school with this. Open your bank app, get a notepad, write down your income, your expenses, and your debts. Then circle the things you're emotionally avoiding. That $897 credit card bill that you've been ignoring. I understand this hurts, but it's necessary because you can't fix what you're blind to. Now, step number 2, we want to eliminate financial parasites. A lot of you are not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna say it. Netflix, DoorDash, Amazon Prime, random gym memberships you haven't used since February. Kill them. Kill them all. Because every single dollar you spend out of habit is a dollar that keeps you broke. Most 20-somethings are bleeding $300 to $500 a month on absolutely nothing. Simply put, cut everything ruthlessly. You can always resubscribe later. Now moving to step number 3, master one high income skill. If you're working 40 hours a week and still can't breathe financially, you don't need more hours. You need more valuable hours. Good example, copywriting, digital ads, video editing, sales, or coding. Pick one and commit 6 months to it like your life depends on it, because it does. Step number 4, open a high yield savings account. It's one of the easiest and best things you'll ever do. Put your emergency fund in a place that actually earns you something. Online banks like Marcus, Ally, or SoFi offer way better rates than your local banks. You're not investing just yet. This is your sleep well fund. Let's just be honest. Banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Chase Bank are giving you absolutely nothing to hold your money in their bank. It's time to make smart moves with your money. Now moving on to step number 5, get a side hustle that scales. Uber's fine, but at the end of the day, it's a dead end. Instead, you could do things like flip items on eBay, create digital products, run a content page, start affiliate marketing, something that can grow even when you sleep. Because remember, trading time for money forever equals modern day slavery. Step number 6, automate 3 key habits. This is crucial. It's what I call the set it and forget it. Number 1, auto transfer $100 a month to savings. Put it away and don't even look at it. It's like it doesn't exist. Number 2, auto pay your credit cards to pay off in full every single month. We don't pay these banks any interest fees. If you don't have the money to pay it, don't use a credit card. It's that simple. And number 3, my favorite, auto invest $20 a week into an index fund. Even small amounts done consistently will stack faster than you ever think. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with a 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Kenneth. Kenneth's credit score went up 282 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And Arthur's credit score went up 670 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget Destiny. Destiny's credit score went up 264 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Luis, Luis's credit score went up 261 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And Jency's credit score went up 225 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget James. James's credit score went up 207 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Tanya, Tanya's credit score went up 289 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And Christian's credit score went up 366 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And let's not forget about Allison. Allison's credit score went up 204 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Brandon, Brandon's credit score went up 185 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And Ashley's credit score went up 218 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget about Julio. Julio's credit score went up 266 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast link is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Moving on to step number 7. This is my favorite because this is what really changed everything around for me. Use what's called the zero-based budget trick. Here's the key. Every dollar you earn gets assigned a job before you even spend it. Rent, groceries, gas, savings, debt. Your income minus expenses should equal 0. This is exactly how broke 20-somethings build rich habits. And of course, this one cannot be avoided. Step number 8, fix your credit score. Your credit score isn't just a number. It's your ticket to lower interest rates, better apartments, and yes, wealth. You want to always make sure to dispute inaccurate items because negative accounts are not accurate, complete, or fair. You can dispute anything your little heart desires. Always make sure to pay your credit cards on time and never let your utilization cross the threshold of 0%. We do not want to owe anybody any money and we don't want any debt. If your credit score sucks, link is going to be in the video description for Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast will do all the work for you, mail the letters, and it comes with a 110% money back guarantee. There's literally no excuse. It's risk-free. Just fix your credit already. Last part's the most important. Now moving on to the final step number 9, join a tribe that wants more. This is a crazy statistic. You're the average of your 5 closest friends. Because if your circle complains about rent but never talks about solutions, you're honestly in the wrong room.
All right, and we're back. Ladies, I am excited about the program with Dispute Beast. Let's talk about it just a minute. Matter of fact, I'll let Emma talk about the program we've got with Dispute Beast. I use Dispute Beast, and several people that I'm familiar with, as well as the customers. Dispute Beast is awesome. It does everything for you, with you. It's awesome. Talk to us a little bit about what we can do, Miss Emma.
All right. Well, it's a good news with Credit Mastery program because we have affiliation with Dispute Beast. It's only $97, so we're paying $47 for the affiliation. That would be monthly, and then $50 will be monitoring you, helping you as part of the program. We have live trainings, one-on-one mentorship, and digital resources that can help you understand how it works to restore, improve your credit score. So it's either personal or business credit. So to join our program, that's only $97 monthly, and you can contact me anytime at 877-587-4540. And not only with the Credit Mastery program, we have also the Smart Investing. We're gonna help you practice into trading with no rest at all using the platform that we are using, Ninja Trader, and we're practicing on a paper trade. So we are actually observing the live market daily, and we will assist you on how to learn the pattern of the candlestick and how to what's the peak season and the right time to choose if you want to trade no on the upside of the candlestick or downside of it. So we're gonna help you learn, and you can attend our live trainings as well. And we have digital resources that can help you. It's just only $97 monthly, and if you wanna enroll with the whole program, 3 to 6 months, that would be 497. So it's very affordable. And then we have also the financial education program. We have digital books that can help you learn about financial stability, how to find a good funding opportunity, and then if you need help to set up, if you want to set up a new business, we can help you for your business name, EIN, how to create a website, to set up your phone, your business phone. So it's part of our program on the financial education program. So again, if you want to be assisted on just 1 month, that would be $97. The whole program is $497. So feel free to contact me anytime, message us on Facebook, put some comment, and please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and comment down if you have any question or any topic that you wanted us to discuss every StreamYard. So God bless everyone, and see you for another stream tomorrow.
All right, Dr. Cam here. Just want to touch base real quick and let you know that these ladies are amazing, and they've been working with me over a decade. And I just want to touch base and show a little bit about who you're working with, what you're doing. I am a serial entrepreneur. I've worked for years in the market and finance, as far as personal credit repair, business credit building, and things of that nature. We do have a program called 3 Pillars of Wealth. Within that 3 Pillars of Wealth, just like Ms. Emma was just mentioning, we have 3 layers. We have personal credit mastery, and we don't rely on ourselves and our expertise. We also have the Dispute Beast affiliate AI generation software. It's amazing. I use it myself. Every 30 days, I just log in. I actually pull it up every couple of days and look at it, but because it's got a credit monitoring program. But every so often, I just log in, click the button, see where my score has improved from last time. Click, and then every 30 to 40 days, you're going to have what's called a new attack. You click the new attack, red button. It figures, it's got all of your answers to all your questions already built in. You just click the mailing program, click the button, and it mails for you. Then it emails you and tells you your attack's been sent out. And then you just continue to look at it every couple of days and see your score improve. Absolutely no effort on your part other than clicking to look to see where you're at. Moving on from there, with the 3 Pillars of Wealth, and these 3 pillars are consistent across anybody's situation, regardless of whether you're trying to make an extra $50 a day or trying to develop a side hustle, something like that. You need to be independently financially secure from a method or multiple methods other than working for the next guy. Okay, so the first step is to get your personal credit in shape. The second is called smart investing, and smart investing is about developing or building your own niche market, your own business. You can start off with something completely generic, and you can build your own business with we have what's called Leverage AI, Lev AI. We've got a meeting tonight, as a matter of fact, at 7 p.m. on the Leverage AI, and it's a complete business building package. All right, and what it does is it's got all of the bells and whistles that you're going to need for social media. We personally assist you step by step in building your EIN, your Dutch Bradstreet number, business virtual address, your business phone number, all the things you need to build business credit on your EIN, not your social. And along with Leverage AI, it's got everything done for you. Just like the Credit Mastery, you got the Dispute Beast to do all the credit disputing for you. With the Leverage AI, it does everything you can possibly imagine. So I'm gonna pop off real quick, show you that video real quick, and then we'll talk to Ms. Giselle about the Leverage AI. She's young and she's in the AI world, and she understands all about all those neat little nuances. So we'll let her continue the conversation on that, and then we'll finalize today with a brief look back at the market. We'll show you what our next trade would be if we would do trading again. We'll be right back. There we go.
Marketing your business and keeping up with AI tools shouldn't be this hard. That's why there's Lev AI, the all-in-one customer growth system built for entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, small business owners, and many others. From the start, Lev AI learns your brand and voice. Need a post right now? My AI Social gives you platform-ready content, comments, and DMs that sound just like you and speaks to your audience. Want your message everywhere? With My AI Video, you can create an AI twin that looks and sounds like you, or select an avatar to deliver your script in nearly any language. Need a website today? My Web spins up a branded site. Copy, images, SEO, ready in minutes. With My Network, add contacts by screenshot. Lev AI enhances each contact you add and creates a personality profile, then suggests what to say next and tracks follow-ups. It also reminds you when to reach out. And with My Prospects, find new prospects, filter by location or role, and know exactly how to approach them. Not sure how to reply to a prospect? Help Me Reply keeps conversations moving and wins you more customers. With Lev AI, you show up, stay consistent, and grow without an expensive agency or a dozen tools. Ready to make AI marketing simple? Join as a member to use Lev AI for your business. Want to earn by sharing Lev AI? Become a partner. Get Lev AI.
And And Ms. Giselle, tell us all about how the young people would utilize and capitalize on this new leverage AI principle, please.
So hello everyone. So with this Love AI, it's a new like platform that has the potential to really significantly improve the lives of us. So of course, especially in this generation, across various domains. So as we can see from the video, it has really a lot of benefits, and some of the benefits that Love AI really can give and give to the young people of today is of course education. In terms of education, so this Love AI, it enables us to like personalize our learnings through like the editing, or the of course it's what we need right now, technology, the platforms, tools that we can use to like enhance our works, our studies, or like the niche that we do every day. So the lifelong education. Also, as what we heard, it has a lot of language, so the language translation, it can also be beneficial to every one of us. Of course, we are like communicating across various like domains, as I said, so across a lot of platforms and with other people, other like using communication. So it is really making learning more accessible and also efficient. And also one of that is productivity and work efficiency, or the hobbies that we have as young people. So it automates repetitive tasks, routines, hobbies, or enhances our decisions every day. So and it also aids in our creativity, because the young people of today, we are like curious, we want to know more, learn more, and to achieve more, to discover more. And this Love AI is just really good and great for everyone who are just into creativity, into imagination, and also leveling up in terms of our generation today, especially with technology and what we do, because everything's in AI right now. Everything's elevating, leveling up into AI, and this leverage AI is very good. Not just for us young people, but also the businessmen, the workers, and the BPO industry or other industries, or even businesses themselves. We can use Love AI in any aspect of our department or activity. So that's what I can say. On some of what I can say about Love AI. So you,
Fantastic.
yeah. So
All
you
right.
try to use this Love AI, and you'll know and you'll realize why we're talking about it, and you'll be justified about with what we're talking about. So that's it, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Giselle. Miss Emma, I'm going to bring up our third pillar. So we did credit mastery. We showed a video on Dispute Beast. Now, Dispute Beast, we have a Zoom meeting every Thursday night for Dispute Beast, when all of the Beasters and Dispute Beast personnel and ourselves are on a live Zoom completely free. If they contact you at 877-587-4540, you can reach out, you can give them the link, they can pop in. I'd like for everybody to know that they're welcome to attend these meetings live and ask any questions that they need to with us. So you don't have any financial obligation to start with. Merely contact Emma and she'll get you set up to attend. A Dispute Beast is Thursday night. Tonight is the Love AI live Zoom. Same thing, contact Emma. All she needs is their contact phone, your contact email. First name is fine. If you'd like to be on live with the Love AI Zoom, you can be on with that. And then finally, Friday is a live Zoom with just us here. If you request a live Zoom, we'll break everything down to you, for you. No financial obligation. We're not trying to talk anybody into a program. We're trying to offer the programs that we have to everybody, because we know that everybody out there deserves a second chance with their credit, get their credit restored, and we can assist with that. We have the best possible program to help. We know that most people want to be financially independent, and we believe we can help you walk that direction, get where you're trying to go from where you're at. And finally, we have the AI trading system with the robots. We're going to show a quick video on that, and then we'll talk to Miss Emma to conclude. Today, we're going to talk about Tickeron, and Tickeron trades with AI robots.
Trading with AI robots. Here at Tickeron, our goal is to help regular, everyday traders compete with and even outperform hedge funds and professional traders. So, if you do not want to miss any of our videos that help you find the best trades, click the subscribe button. Now, let's get to the AI robots. Our AI robots make trades in real time, and as you can see, their performance is pretty strong. You can join these robots and follow their trades live. Buy when they buy, sell when they sell, profit when they profit. We realize that traders want to see results, and here at Tickeron, our proprietary artificial intelligence provides results. From the Tickeron homepage, all you have to do is click on AI robots. Here, you can choose which robots to follow. Each group shows you the annualized return, the average number of trades, and how long this robot has been trading. It also shows the profit loss or P&L for both open and closed trades at any given time, so you can make sure the robots are successful. Choose the robots that fit your trading strategy based on the amount of trades they make daily. Only follow the trades you like. You can even try paper trading along with the robots using Tickeron's paper trade feature, so you're confident in the robot's performance before you follow them into real trades. Buy one robot and you get a free $60 a month in credit to get other products. Buy two robots and you get $100 a month for free in credit to get other products. If you buy 3 robots, then in addition to $120 a month in credit, you get access to all of the other robots for free. Stop buying high and selling low. Start making trades that count.
Right. So Miss Emma, tell us all about, that's the final pillar. So we did Credit Mastery with Dispute Beast. We did Smart Investing with Lev AI. And finally, Tickeron is our AI robot trading strategy. We, of course, naturally, we started off and we traded live with human beings. Personally, I made those trades, and then you follow, and you got, both of you are educated in the trading. So if you want a live trading experience, then you're welcome to join us on Friday night for live trading more in detail that we did today. Or if they want to switch to Tickeron robots, we can set them up an affiliate on that. Having said that, tell us all about how all 3 of those work together.
Okay, well, actually, if you are interested of those 3 pillars, you can just contact me at 877-587-4540 on the Credit Mastery Program, Financial Education, and the Smart Investing. And lastly, on the Tickeron AI robot that will help you on the trading. If you don't have time to trade personally, then you can choose different robots that you can see their capacity on every robot that you are going to choose. So it's very nice. But if before that, try to enroll with us on our Smart Investing so that we can help you understand how it works and have practice into trading. So again, Elite Consultant USA, 3 pillars of wealth, open anytime. The slot is open every day. You can contact me from 9 in the morning till 6 p.m. Eastern time. God bless and see you tomorrow, and feel free to contact me.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 pillars of wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 pillars of wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio.